Welcome to the next video. Now I've basically colored all the components so that they look different to us. Now in this video we will just try to see how to add the missing components. So when I was adding all the components, you must have noticed that I've missed adding the gaskets, right? Or the gasket, which is basically sealing the gap between the cover and the shaft, the power shaft. All right, so I need to basically go back to the step where I've added the blade. So I'll just click on the blade and click on insert here, and I'll just go one step above it, so that I want to just add the gasket before adding the blade. And I've just called in the gasket over here. I'll go to the separate window. I'll select the coincident surfaces so that it is in perfect alignment, and I want the surface to be resting on the base of or on the top surface of the motor cover. And now it's basically constrained perfectly. I'll just press OK, and I'll simply go back to get the blade blender and other components. And finally I've also missed adding the the feet. All right, so I believe this was the part that should be added at last. And I'll just flip it, and I'll just select this surface, the flat surface, and select the base, and I'll press OK. And I'll just right click them and click on repeat, select the constraints and re-add them. So this is a very good option to add the features which are, or add the parts that gets repeated. I'll just color them to something darker color so that they represent the feed. Now this is how our bottle will look like, and we will just move forward and see what all we can do in order to extract more information from our assembly. And we will also see how we can dynamically constrain the blade so as to see the animation of the blade spinning in the blender. Let us move to the next video.